Organizer is the world's easiest way to store and distribute all digital media assets in all formats on one platform. Are your days frequently clouded hunting for media assets with looming deadlines? Your clients coming at you from all corners demanding different formats, and you have no idea where the original content has gone and who has the material? Wouldn't it be great if all your media content was available in one click? Organizer is the perfect tool for the job. In one application, you have access to and control over all your media assets. Organizer offers automated distribution to all formats at a click of a button. As an administrator, you have full control, so you know exactly what has been delivered to whom at what time. Available online or through an application. Deadlines will never be the same again. Using Organizer is easy. This is how it works. The master is registered by the administrator DV Noor in Organizer. Information about the master is edited by the administrator DV Noor. Metadata can be seen and additional comments can be typed in by the rights owner. Transcoder can be used by the owner and administrator after ingest in QC. By clicking Edit in the master archive, the administrator can create a new package for distribution. The owner will see the package and status immediately after creation. The package gets a unique ID. The administrator sets the status from in production to not released. The owner sets the status from not released to ready, pending the distribution form. This site shows all feature packages. From here, the owner manages the packages worldwide. The owner informs the enabled customers of publishing and release dates. The owner can forward comments from the production or write new information to the downloaders. This is the site from where the enabled customers can download material. When the status is set to ready, these packages can be downloaded by the owner's customers. The downloader chooses the protocol best suited for the download. FTP or Aspera is only optional if the downloader is registered with a server. Both administrator, owner and downloader will get reports on all actions done by the downloader. The transcoder is accessible by all users. Screener links can be sent by mail. We also offer a cloud solution where you can upload and store your assets. Let Organizer lift your cloud. Contact DV Noor today for a tour of Organizer. Organizer, content management made easy.